I've had a few people ask about my homemade wooden car ramps that I showed in my garage video, so I'll give you the measurements for that. This is probably the easiest way to do it. But as you can see, there's the first board on the right. That's 1/2-inch plywood right there, and the rest of them are 2x10s. And then I've got a board on the front. That way when you drive up on the ramp, the tire will hit that board at the front right here, and you could drive off the end if you were really going fast, but you can feel it as you're driving up the ramp. You'll bump that stop board there. But the thing that I like about this is that I've just got two eyelets here, wood screw eyelets. They're screwed in, and I just put these bolts through there finger tight, and that way when you drive the car up onto the ramp, then you can slide this out of the way and remove it, and that way if you're rolling around behind the tire under creeper, then the tail of the ramp is out of your way. And I've had these for years and they work great. Also, I did put a piece of rubber on the bottom of this board, just a thin piece of rubber. Once in a while when you drive up on it, it wants to slide on your garage floor. So I don't have rubber on that piece. Just putting the thin piece on this block here seems to be enough. So I'll give you the measurements. Hope you can see it in the video okay. And we'll start here at the end, of course. So this first piece is about 45.5 inches total length, and the second board is about 37 3/4. The end of the next one is about 29.5, and the next one is approximately 21.5. And this is where you need to make your cut, and also it's the total length of the top board, and it is about 13 3/4. And of course you need to taper the edges of these boards on the table saw, cut a taper on them. So that's the total length of everything. And now let me slide the tape measure down in case you want to cut all of these, whatever length I gave you, and then cut these individually. This is about 8 inches. This one is about 16 inches. This is about 24 inches. And that one's almost 32, about 31 3/4. So there's the dimensions. If you've got a table saw, you can make them fairly cheap, and I've heard that I've never used the metal ramps or plastic, but I've heard that when you try to drive up on them, they're just going to slide out in front of the tire on the slick concrete floor, and I believe that. But the reason I have that 1/2-inch board is because you can get the tire on that, and that puts some weight on the ramp, so it tends not to slide as you're driving up on the rest of the ramp. So that's why that first board is thin. I guess that's all I need to tell you, and I've had them for years. They're kind of heavy, but I just pick them up and slide them around the garage, and here's the other one over here, and I just stand them up on end, put them against the wall, and they're out of the way. So thanks for watching.